Hi. Ew. Good morning, guys. I just woke up and I'm about to make myself a smoothie for breakfast. I haven't made a smoothie in a really long time. Basically what I'm doing today is I do want to film like maybe 1 or 2 videos, but this is also one of the videos I'm filming because I ordered some prints from Desenio. This isn't sponsored by them, like I paid for it. I'm gonna wait for those to arrive and then we're gonna kind of finish decorating my room a little. And then I also just want to do some deep cleaning in my room, like wiping everything down because my room is so dusty. And I need to straighten my hair because I washed my hair yesterday and I have not blow dried it or shaven it. Like I just put it in a bun while it was wet and I was way too lazy to do it. So first we're gonna make breakfast and then we're gonna do my hair, wait for the delivery, probably like film in between while I'm waiting. I'm gonna have to figure out what I'm filming today. I don't know yet. I'm like half awake right now. Okay, so I just finished my smoothie. It's a lot. I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to drink of it, but I am very hungry, so hopefully I can drink all. I should have put some spinach and stuff, but I don't think we have any. Well, that's good. That's really good. I just finished doing my hair. It took forever. I kept like getting kind of lightheaded. I don't know why, because I did have breakfast and everything and I just ate something else because my mom was like, here, eat something, maybe that's it. I'm feeling okay now, but I kept like nearly passing out. That was not cute. Took me a little longer, but put it up. I'm not wearing my hair down. Absolutely not. I literally regret cutting my hair so bad still, but you know, oh well. So just gonna put it up really quickly because I'm gonna get dressed. I'm still wearing what I slept in. So I'm gonna quickly get dressed and clean up the mess that I made here and then figure out what we're gonna do today. I'm starting today late because this just took forever, but yeah. I'm sitting at my desk and I'm just gonna have a look. I got my Desenio order in, so that is nice. Mom's vacuuming, I'm so sorry. Oh, she just stopped. Okay. I also want to go into my closet and not clean out my closet, but just like what's in there. I have like bags and stuff and I kind of want to organize that. And I have some baskets that I can maybe put some stuff in, make it a little bit more organized and like, I don't know. And if I feel like it, I might organize my makeup, but I actually wanted to do a separate video on that. So if I end up feeling like it, I'm gonna film that and it's not gonna be in this vlog, but it'll also be up on my channel, I don't know when, if I feel like it. Because I've been wanting to organize my makeup for the past like 3 months, I think, and I keep just not doing it. And then it keeps piling up and I'm like, oh my god, my makeup's a mess, like I really need to organize it. And I'm like, oh, I don't feel like it, like it's just this one task that I need to do, but I just like am dreading. So we'll see. Anyways, let me go show you what I got from Desenio. Got some scissors up on the bed. Oh, my battery's dying. Okay, let me charge this and I'm just gonna open everything and lay it out and you can see what I got. Okay, so I just went ahead and put everything in its frame, and I did also order this one, which I thought was gonna fit into this frame, but it doesn't. So I don't know what to do with this. Basically, this one I want to put up there. I'm gonna get rid of this one because it's ugly. And then I was thinking of putting that one right there so that you can see it when I'm filming. And obviously I need to like organize this and I want to get rid of this and like have it all neat and stuff. And then I want to put one of those down there and then maybe up there. I don't know what to do with this and I don't know what to put in there, so I might have to print something out with my printer, which I kind of didn't want to do because it's not as good of a quality, but I don't know, I'll figure out, maybe I can find something. I don't know what size it is though. I thought I had the right size, but apparently I didn't, which is fine because I bought everything with a discount, so I'm pretty sure that frame or that print was free, so it's fine. I'm gonna go ahead and put everything in its spot now, and I'm excited for it to be done. It should probably be a bit higher because now it kind of looks weird with that box, doesn't it? But honestly, I don't mind it. It would probably look better if it was a little bit higher up, but whew. Okay, that was the hardest part. That was the hardest one because it's so high up. Now I'm gonna kind of organize this. So, this one on the side. Let's get rid of all of this. Oh gosh, oh my god. These are so dusty, that's actually disgusting. Like, these makeup brushes are dusty as hell because I just don't use them anymore. Alright, so I just did some cleaning up and this is pretty much set. So I hung up this one, as you can see. This one, and then I also just put down this one right here. Again, I don't know what I'm gonna do with that, and I hung up that one over there. So I felt like I'd ordered way more, but that's because I obviously ordered the frames as well. So I'm actually gonna take a quick break because I'm sweating and I'm hungry, so I'm gonna go ahead and make some food, take a quick break. And my friend hit me up like 30 minutes ago before I started eating if I wanted to go to the movies with her, and I decided to say yes because I've not left my house in a couple of days and I'm going a little crazy. So I'm going to put on some makeup, and I just ate, so my stomach's full. I think I'm gonna wear like a beanie with a wig, or a wig with a beanie, so I don't really have to do my hair. So I haven't finished cleaning yet, but we're watching the movie I think around like, I have to be there at 4:30, so I'm not gonna be home too late. So I'm just gonna continue when I get home. Maybe I'll continue tomorrow, we'll see. Anyways, I really just need to leave the house for a little. I just got back home from the movies. I put on some comfy clothes and I'm gonna continue on with my room. Just need to quickly text someone back. It's way hotter outside than I thought it was going to be, so I'm like sweating right now. But I was like, let me not get dressed too, oh my battery's dying. Let me dress up a little warmer so that I don't get cold when I go home, but it was hot. I'm just gonna quickly charge my battery because it's already dying again. Should have done this when I left, so stupid. And then I'm gonna continue cleaning, organizing my room a little. Fucking out! Girl, we giggly. Girl, we giggly. This shit. Ah! Oh my god. I don't know what that sound was. Oh my god, I'm crying. I don't know what happened there. Oh. Okay, girl, we good. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. I somewhat kind of organized. Oh my God. Niet kop dicht. You know what? I'm gonna hang up for a second. Girl, he's so annoying. Okay. So I kind of organized my bags right here. Kind of put them all in a neat order, whatever. And this. And then this is just kind of like messy stuff. Like, everything has a spot now. It's not the best looking, but like it's more organized now. And I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I'm happy with how the frames turned out. I just need to find something for that frame right there. Besides that, it's kind of, I'm pretty sure my room's like almost completely done decorating, and then I can film a room tour, so that's definitely gonna come soon. I can't promise you when yet because I don't know when I'm gonna film it, but that's it for today. I think I don't have anything else to show you. I'm really tired. I'm gonna like take off my makeup, probably edit this video, and just like chill for the rest of the night. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. This video, thumbs up if you did. Let me know if you want to see more vlogs, if you like day in the lives, if you want me to do like combined vlogs of like a couple days and then post them in kind of like a week vlog. Yeah, just gonna give me feedback on that, see what you like so that I can post whatever you guys like. So yeah, I love you guys and I'll see you in my next video.